Hello and good day. And so this is my review on this 28-piece clear plastic jar organized set. So I got this for my bathroom. This is what it looks like. So with this in particular, the reason I wanted this was basically to organize my kitchen or bathroom jars. This is what you see right here. So, I mean, it's just multiple different ways you can organize it, right? So you can organize it like this, have the bigger plastic drawers up top. Then you can organize it just like that, have smaller drawers there. So with this in particular, I think it's a great way to organize your drawers. Keeps it clear so you can kind of see where the dirt is in case you need to vacuum clean it or dust it off. But it's a very neat, easy way, especially for bathrooms, to organize your drawers. So they do feel high and sturdy. They also have some ridges up top to kind of clip on to each other so that they don't move from side to side. But overall, very pleased with it. Feels very sturdy, very, very easy to clean as well. And again, the ridges are what make it important so that they don't kind of separate when you're actually using the jar. So great way to organize your jars. You can see I got floss sticks there, miscellaneous items there, mouth stuff in there. So very easy way to organize your drawers.